Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well. I'm coming to you guys with yet another crochet install video. Now this is the butterfly locks by Bobbi Boss, 18 inches long. It's really pretty. I've had it for a week and a half or more. I just couldn't record the intro to this video before then, or put the video together, or edit, put it up. Too many things going on. But I did record the install, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, guys. And this time around, my hair looks like it's relaxed, but it's not. Okay, so I just used the Timer Ring hair straightening comb, and I did a video on this comb. I posted a video a couple of days ago on this comb, and yes, it's the same day I went ahead and did all of my hair, straighten all of my hair, not too much, you know what I mean, just so I can braid it. I realized when my hair is either blow dried and when it's straight, the braids look a little better, and I could be wrong, by the way. Oh well, you know what I mean. So that when I do it with my natural hair, and plus with the natural hair, a lot of tangling, a lot of tangling knots all over. It's just, and my hair just breaks and breaks. Yeah, we're gonna change that. Yeah. So, but I found this at the store. I bought this about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and yeah, it's been that long since I did my hair. I actually like it. So there's been a major craze about butterfly locks, and I found a crochet butterfly locks. Okay, I thought maybe I would have to do like the locks itself and try it, but I found a crochet for that. Yay! Okay, so the best thing. Okay, so this is by Bobbi Boss. Some of you probably already know this, and it's called Cali Locks right here. 18 inches and in the color 1B. Okay. And it says instant butterfly lock styling. Okay, Cali Locks. And there are 1, 2, 3 bundles in it, and I'm going to let you know how many locks we have in each bundle. Okay, so keep watching. We're going to go ahead and get our hair braided. You guys already know how we do that. So I already washed my hair, combed it, straightened it. I'm just going to pat in the middle, and I'm going to braid 4 braids. No, should we do 4? No. This one is small. So we're going to do 5. 5 on this side, 5 on this side, okay? Hey guys, I'm back. So I got my braids done. It's not as neat as I wanted, but it's okay. You know. Yeah, it's okay, actually. So this is what I have done. I patted it in the middle. Braided 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you I was going to do 5 on each side. The 5th one, I split it into 2 at the top here. Now, this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I didn't split this one because I realized that I like, am I confused or what? Maybe I am. But I like to wear my hair on this side, like so, okay? So have my pat on the right and expose the right side of my face. And like I said last time, I was gonna try to start doing the left, but it just doesn't happen. You know what I mean? Every time I braided it, I always just prefer having my pat on the right, okay? Usually people would do like, they would split it, make a fork like 1, 2, 3 cornrows, meaning that you have like 6 here. But it's really 3 cornrows, so they can do it whatever way. But girl, I already know myself. I already know what I like. I already know how I like to, have it hang. And this is the side. Now, I'm thinking about taking this down and splitting it into 2 as well. So I went ahead and did what I wanted. Okay, so what I did was, again, like I said, I split into 2 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way back, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 4th one, now I split it into 2, make it into 2 here, into a 4th, and then braid it all the way back, join it, braid it all the way back. 5th one, split into 2, join it, braid it all the way back, because this is the side I like to pat. Plus I like to pad a little bit further down than just, you know, right there close to the middle. I like this side, but I like this one a little bit more. Okay, so what I could have done was take all of it down and then just space it out evenly, but doesn't matter. It's crochet. The cornrow is not same. Plus, the cornrows always tends to open really wide after a while when you do crochet. So with this one being so close together, I mean, it would prevent it from looking old really fast. And the ones in the back, I just braided it into two little, you know, single braids, and then, you know, crochet it into the rest of the corner. That's all I did. Now I'm going to start with the hair, and I already showed you guys the hair earlier. So keep watching, guys. Let's see, you know, how this crochet looks. Butterfly Locks by Bobbi Boss. So basically here, I'm just letting you all know that there are 10 locks in each bundle. 3 bundles in each pack. And the hair cost me $21.99, which is like 60 something dollars. If you want to add tax, that's close to $70. Hey girls, so I am almost done with this crochet, and I want to fill this one on camera so y'all can see. You guys know how to do crochet by now. If you've been watching my videos, you know how to crochet your hair by now. Now because this is the left side, I'm going to use my left hand, and I'm just going to go in with my crochet pin. And this is one of those ones that are just, you have to kind of open up a little bit. And I'm going to pull, okay? You want to go easy on the pulling, okay? Because these ones are big with all this extra hair on the side there. You don't want to pull, destroy your hair. So you want to go easy on that. And then of course you just use the loop and pull through slowly so it gets all the way to the root there. Okay, and then you fit it in, and that's it. And so that's filled in. You know, I didn't put a lot. And the first 2, 3, well, the first 3 cornrows don't get a lot of hair. All right. So I wanted to fill this one. Girls, as you do your hair, you would realize that as you go, you really just decide how you want it to look. And for me, I think I have enough on the front here. I don't want to add any more. And remember that I had braided that cornrow where it was one cornrow that I made into 2, so it's looking a little bit tight here, looking a little bit tight and full here. This is the cornrow, but it's okay because in a couple of weeks this is going to be all spaced out. You guys know, if you do your own crochet, you know how those spacings begin to it becomes really wide, you know what I mean, and it can look funny. Okay guys, so this is the final look for our butterfly. I cannot speak, okay? Crochet look, okay? This is by Bobbi Boss, and this is the 18 inches. It's called Cali Locs. I showed you guys earlier, the packet. But this is the final look, and this is that foot cornrow. This is the pad for that foot cornrow right here. And then this cornrow, I decided not to put any hair here. I kind of like the fact that the cornrow is showing a little bit. Or maybe it's just me, but yeah, we're gonna leave this one hanging out like that. This is the pad for the fit cornrow. And again, like I said, my face profile just really prefers a side pad that's all the way, that's further down. You know what I mean? And I think that's for a lot of people, right? Or is it just me? I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I like it. I actually really like this hairstyle. It was just hard to install because pulling this under the braids was a little hard. You know what I mean? I wouldn't even lie. So it took me a little bit longer than before because I had to take my time so I don't break my hair to pull it under and then wrap. Yeah, all of that. So this is the hair. Let me show you what the back looks like. Let's see what the back looks like. Now, there are probably holes in my hair, or maybe there isn't, I don't know. But don't forget to fill in the back, because sometimes we can do, when you do the corner all the way to the back, people forget to fill in this back area right under here. Don't forget to fill that back area, especially for you who likes to do your ponytail pull up and all of that. And if you're going to do that, like I said, you want to fill the sides and the back. Okay, guys? So this is the look. Hey, like I said, I always like to wear my hair like so because of work, you know, and then just away from my face. So there's going to be a lot of this, but go check this out. It's again, Butterfly Locks, Cali Locks by Bobbi Boss. Not the easiest install, but it's very pretty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.